Corn and soybeans reverse course on Tuesday, going into the red. Michelle Rook is back with details and a look ahead in markets now.
Grains and livestock both mixed on Tuesday. John Heinberg with Total Farm Marketing is back with us. John, let's talk about the wheat market first. Another higher close. We got above some key technical resistance. Can we keep going now here in the winter wheat contracts?
We're going to kind of see how things continue to follow through. We tried to reverse that market over with Tuesday's trade. So we'll see if that pattern can continue. But again, late in the day, here comes those buyers back into that wheat market again, just kind of focusing on money flow, what's happening in terms of that Russian crop, concerns regarding the hybrid winter wheat belt also at the same time. Just a window here where it just feels like the money wants to at least support that wheat market, whether it deserves it or not. But at least technically, with the closes on Tuesday, things are looking fairly strong.
You bet, above some real key resistance there. Meanwhile, corn and soybeans did not follow wheat. So did we see some corrective selling there, or was that this faster than expected planting pace?
That planting pace was a big factor. First off, it was just above the market's expectation when the report came out on Monday afternoon. We got 21% of the corn crop in a week, and that was a pretty impressive number. Analysts didn't think we'd get over the 70 number. Now we're really only a percentage point or two off the main 5-year pace, which obviously is adjusted around with some of those slower years that were in there. But, we're still watching the weather very closely. Iowa, Illinois are still kind of traveling below that 5-year pace window. Heavy rains working through Iowa the last couple of days. So probably will keep things very limited there, at least until the weekend, as long as things stay dry. So that'll be the focus going forward in terms of corn for sure, as well as soybeans. Can we get that last chunk of this crop in a decent time window?
And cattle were to the plus side. We got above some key chart resistance there. Is that market building in some better cash trade again this week or not?
I think the prospects are there. Retail values $314 on choice carcasses, kind of running at the highest level since back to March. It's increased the packer margin so they can bid into that cash market a little bit more. Nice firm cash trade last week. I think that continues this week. Now the big question for me is the funds. Do they push into that cattle market? Only sitting about 40,000 contracts on the long side. Last year, they were over 100,000 in this time window.
Thanks so much, John Heinberg with Total Farm Marketing. We'll have more AgDay coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.